back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair wig review for you guys. So today's video is brought to you again by Westkiss. So I am going to be reviewing a 4x4 curly wave wig. So I'm going to go ahead and read the specs for you guys. So this is a curly wave texture. This is a closure wig. I prefer closure wigs because really lately I've been wearing my 13x6 wigs like a closure wig anyway, which means like I just focus on the 4x4 or 5x5 area, leave like the sides alone. So this is 20 inches and 180% density. Let me see how much it costs with my specs. Westkiss is another affordable human hair company. So if you know, are turned off by the prices of the higher end wigs that I show on my channel, these are more like budget friendly human hair wigs. So with all the specs that I have, this wig is $205, which is really good for this length and this density. If it's too much hair for you, you can get 150% density. I'm pretty sure I have a large cap. They have small, medium, and large, which is good because some companies don't have, they usually just have medium. Yeah, so that's pretty decent for the price. And if you went with like the shortest length, which is 8 inches, some people like short bobs like that. And if you got 150 density, this wig would be $80. So the more specs you add to it with any human hair company, the price is gonna go up. So keep that in mind before you decide to purchase. With this wig, what I did was I washed it and let it air dry, and I let it air dry for probably a week or two until I got back to it. And today I just sprayed some Can2 Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer on certain spots like at the top, and just kind of lightly ran my hands through it. So this hair feels very soft. It felt like super soft after I washed it and let it air dry. As far as the lace goes, the lace was, I think it's kind of on the light side. So I just put, after I did Gatsby glued free spray and stuff, I put my foundation on a beauty sponge and just dabbed it over my lace to let it, you know, blend in better with my complexion. And I started off with the Gatsby glue in the black bottle. You guys saw that. I adhered it down with my blow dryer and stuff, but then it was still kind of lifting, so I took it off and I used this instead, my Gatsby glue free spray, blow dried it. It's still not like impeccable lace, but it's a decent yeah, it's not like a super crazy good blend down, but it looks pretty good. I think this texture is, every time you wear a long curly wig, it's gonna look like vacation. Like, and then I have these earrings on. These earrings are from Rainbow. Don't sleep on Rainbow's like accessories. They have a lot of really cute like statement earrings, and I think it looks good with this whole look I have going on. Looks very vacation ready, even though it's nowhere to go for me. So yeah, so as far as like shedding and stuff, I do have some shedding, but it's not like crazy. I did tweeze a little bit of the hairline. One of the cons of this wig is that the hairline is super thick, but keep this in mind for the people who are on a budget but you still like human hair. These budget human hair wigs, a lot of times their hairlines are not the best. And that's what you're paying for with the higher end wigs. A lot of times they tweeze them all the way up and bleach the knots and do all this other stuff, and that's what you're paying for there. But this one is relatively inexpensive for the length of hair and the density that you do get. I think this looks very pretty on me. I like the look of it. Because you're only focusing on the closure area, you can have your edges out and it just makes it look even more natural. Now, if I was gonna wear this again, I think I would have to take like some more precautions to make sure this lace is super melted. Because I mean, on camera, you can't really see. It looks pretty decent. But like looking at it in my mirror right here, I can see like the grids and the lace and stuff. But overall, it's a pretty look. The overall texture feels good. I like the density of it and the length. And it's giving me end of summer vacation vibes. So if there are coupon codes, they'll be listed down below. as well as the specs to this wig and the direct link to where you can purchase it. Yeah, shout out to Westkiss for sponsoring another video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in and supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and turn your notifications on so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And make sure your notifications are turned on so you can be a part of Premiere Squad when I do premieres, because I try to do premieres as often as I can, but I'm not going to do them with every video. But when I do, it's a lot of fun, and you get to interact with me as well as my subscribers as we watch my reviews in real time and chat it up. So make sure your notifications on and you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.